To begin with the market's positioning, we study data provided by Commodity Futures Trading Commission, or CFTC. This data shows us how the large speculators act at the currency market. We can see that the aggregate US dollar long position is still rather solid, despite the fact that it has declined a bit from the previous highs. All in all, we are starting the data for the week which ended on Tuesday, November 15th. CFTC data come with a bit of a time lag, but still we can try to grab some important moves of the market of large players when we look at this data. We can see that traders covered short positions in the euro. Here we can see that the short positions is still sizable on the euro, but it has decreased. The weekly change was positive. It means that the number of net bearish positions on the euro has declined. Also, traders have decreased their bullish bets on the Japanese yen. Here we see a decline in the weekly change, and the net long Japanese yen position is no longer the largest long bullish position among the measured currencies. We can see that now the long position in Australian dollar is the largest. It's more than $3 billion. As for other currencies, also we can see that negative bets on British pound were decreased by the market. And as for commodity currencies like Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar and Canadian dollar, the net bearish positions on Canadian dollar were trimmed a bit. It happened as oil prices recovered, and Canadian dollar is getting support from the oil prices. Also, we see that Australian dollar bullish position has been covered a bit, but it remains the largest long position. And as for the New Zealand dollar, we are in the neutral territory, and the very small bullish net position, but it's not very significant. These are the market trends. We have to study them and use this information for our trading. What can be our conclusions from this data? The conclusion is that after the US election, after Donald Trump was elected the US president, US dollar is still enjoying demand, and we see that the currency is enjoying demand of large speculators. Still, there was some correction in position of the market players. The market has become less negative on the euro and British pound, but as we will take into account the new data for the week which will take place since November 15th, we may see that the situation has changed and that more negative positions on the euro and British pound were built.